was almost an average day. You can't get much more average than 1 degree away from the average for this time of year. And that's what we've really seen over the last 5 days is 1 degree, 2 degrees on either side of average. We do have some big ups and some big downs over the upcoming week. We'll get to the 7-day forecast in just a second. But our storm system departing behind it, we will see milder temperatures building in for tomorrow. Our weather headlines look like this. The biggest, the chance for some precip on Monday, mostly rain chances, but maybe a couple of flurries mixing on in. And behind that, we do have colder air that spills in, but we finish the week on the milder side. In fact, we're back into the 50s to near 60 degrees by the weekend, this upcoming weekend. Our satellite and radar is completely dry. Our next storm system that we're watching is this frontal system moving through Canada right now. It's going to push on through, and behind it, that's where some of that cold air is trapped in. That's going to drop us back down into the low 40s and even upper 30s in some spots. But boy, it was a busy day if you were in central Connecticut. Look at some of these bullseye numbers, 8, 9 inches in some areas. Worcester even picking up on 3 inches. Fitchburg, 2.4 inches. And we know that it was a bullseye area because this is a satellite image that was snapped a little earlier. This band right here was 6 to 9 inches, while the Connecticut River Valley, not a flake on the ground. Same goes for parts of Massachusetts, where central Mass picked up 3 inches, 4 inches in some spots, but Boston, really nothing in those areas. And even if you did, it melted right away. Behind the front, a lot of sunshine. There's the front we're watching dropping down in. But before that, tomorrow is going to be nice and mild. In fact, we're going to get into the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Lots of sunshine, especially early. And then the clouds start to arrive in the evening. That's what our hour-by-hour forecast shows. And then watch that front as it pushes on through. So Monday morning, most of us remain dry, but we could squeak out a couple of raindrops or even a snowflake here or there. The rest of Monday, it's on the cooler side, but still sunny for most of the day. Tomorrow, we will see our first 7 p.m. sunset of the season. That means our daylight hours are growing longer and longer. Here's our 7-day forecast. We can see temperatures dipping down into the upper 30s by Tuesday, so we're below average. Notice that upward trend, though, for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Our next chance for measurable rain arriving on Saturday. Ken and Katie?
All right. Thanks, Jacob.